Hey guys, this is a wee video to talk about my home remedies that I use and things that work for me. So hopefully some of them work for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also check out my channel. Thanks! So the first thing I'm going to show you is my homemade face scrub, which consists of coconut oil, my favourite thing, and baking soda. So basically this scrub works for me in the way that it just makes the skin on my face really smooth and it gets rid of all your dead skin cells. And so I recommend using this in the morning just because it makes your face really soft for like makeup and stuff and just for the rest of the day. So here's how I use my scrub. That I want to talk about is teeth, and I'm a big fan of having white teeth, you know, like the picture perfect white teeth that just aren't really that realistic. As you can see, my teeth are quite white at the moment, and that is because I've just used my newest whitening method, which is charcoal. So I use activated charcoal capsules that I got from Holland and Barrett. I actually really recommend this method. I am loving my teeth. It's not harmful for your teeth, so yeah, there's a little video of me whitening my teeth. Apple cider vinegar is a big hype at the moment, so I thought I'd try it out for myself. I've been using this kind. Also from Holland, as you can see, I shop there a lot. I just use this on my face, it's like a little face wash. It is like vinegar. I don't think people realise that. Like that sounds silly because it's called apple cider vinegar. But it is very strong, and if you get it in your eyes or anything like that, it will sting. It's also good internally, like to drink. I haven't tried that side of it yet, but maybe I will one day, I don't know. This is very good for acne, and when I have a few spots and stuff, it does help reduce them. It's another hype that I am in with at the moment. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel. These are obviously just my own favourites, and feel free to change anything and mix it up a little bit if you like. But let me know how you get on with any of these and show me your results. Thanks for watching. Hey guys,